Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. The development of urogenital system consists of the urinary system and the genital system. The development of these two systems are usually described together. There are two reasons. The reason number one is both systems develop from a common source. This common source is intermediate mesoderm. The reason number two for which these two systems are described together is these two systems are embryologically and anatomically intimately interwoven. They are very closely interwoven. In the development of urogenital system, we shall describe the development of kidneys, the ureter, the urinary bladder, and the urethra. Now, first of all, let's describe the development of kidneys. In the development of kidneys, there are three kidney systems. The number one kidney system is pronephros. Pronephros do not function at all. They are rudimentary, do not function at all. The mesonephros, they really function, but they function for a very short time during the early fetal development. The third and the last system of the kidney development is metanephros. They are permanent kidneys. The pronephros begin to develop in the beginning of fourth week. They begin to develop in the beginning of fourth week, and in the middle of the fourth week, they are forming as well as regressing. And at the end of fourth week, almost all of the pronephros are not there. They have regressed. This is the timeline. This is the timeline of the pronephros. Now, please closely focus on this diagram. There are about 7 to 10 solid cell groups. These 7 to 10 solid cell groups are pronephros, and these solid cell groups are in the cervical region from about 5th to 7th cervical vertebra. So pronephros are actually solid cell groups, about 7 to 10, and these are present in the cervical region, and this is pronephric duct. We see the cross section of this diagram to appreciate how these structures look like in cross section. Please see in this cross section, you can see that the pronephros are solid cell groups and their ends are joining and forming the pronephric duct. As I told you, pronephros do not function at all. Then what is their fate? The pronephros degenerate. They usually begin to form in the beginning of fourth week, and in the mid of fourth week, they are forming as well as regressing, and at the end of fourth week, most of the pronephros are regressed. Pronephros are rudimentary and non-functional. They are rudimentary and non-functional. When we say that they are rudimentary, non-functional, then why we take a headache of describing them in the very beginning of the chapter of the embryology of urogenital system? In fact, it is not very much necessary to describe them. But as it develops in human embryo, and it also develops in lower animals, especially in primitive fishes where it is functional, not rudimentary. In primitive fishes, the pronephros are present in the neck region, and they are functional, and they are called as head kidney. So there is a phylogenetic correlation between the primitive animal and the human embryo. So pronephros are worth mentioning. This is the reason why we describe the pronephros. This is all about the pronephros. And in the next illustration, we shall discuss the development of mesonephros. Thank you very much for watching this illustration, and please stay tuned to watch more illustrations about the embryology of urogenital system. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.